Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ledger Live app on Windows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by closing the Ledger Live application if it is currently open. Locate the Start menu on your Windows taskbar. Click on the Start menu to open it. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the control panel appears, look for Programs and click on it. Next, find the option labeled Programs and Features. Click on Programs and Features to see a list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find Ledger Live. Once you find Ledger Live, click on it to select it. At the top of the window, you will see an option to uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation dialog may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall Ledger Live. Confirm the action by clicking Yes or Uninstall. The uninstallation process will start and may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message may appear. Close the Programs and Features window. To ensure all files are removed, you may want to check in the installation directory. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or by pressing Windows+E. Navigate to the folder where Ledger Live was installed, typically in the C:\program files. If the folder still exists, right-click on it and select Delete. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove all files associated with Ledger Live. You have successfully uninstalled the Ledger Live app from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.